Good morning, all of you. So yesterday the markets had a roller coaster ride. The market was so volatile that it was very difficult for even intraday traders to do, because if initially it went down again, went up in the afternoon when the European markets opened, it fell down again, and it recovered and went above the day's high, and again the fall below the day's low. So I feel this kind of volatility is, people find it very difficult to trade on this kind of volatility. And moreover, yesterday the market crossed the important support level of 4,550, but that was towards the closing, and the no majority, not much. All I mean, volumes were there, but that move was quite unreasonable. So what we have to look for now is we must look for a pullback up to about 4,650 levels to create fresh short positions. Our short-term trend is still bearish, and that trend is intact as far as Nifty holds below 4,850 levels. So whenever we get a clear pullback, that can be used for an opportunity to sell short in the market. Maybe when we get a pullback up to 4,650 to 700, we can look for buying a 46 or 4,500 put option. And but remember the fact that we have only a few more days for the expiry, so the time value also will be disappearing very quickly, so we must be prepared to hold it with a strict stop loss. And that sentiments in banking sector is still bearish, and the State Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, all are hitting badly. But this week when the market approaches to 4,500 level, we may get some sort of supports there. So and towards the end of week, we may see some winding above the positions also. So the market in further days also, it can be in the range of 4,400 to 4,800 level. It's a wide range of 400 points, but this is a current level. We maintain the short stance in the market. We may look for fresh close from both the domestic and international side to trade. So that's all for now. Thank you, and have a nice day.